OpenAI just dropped something big. It's called Daybreak, and it's focused on cybersecurity. Now, that's crucial. They want AI to spot vulnerabilities. Smart move, but let's not get too excited. Sure, it could boost security, but will it really change the game? Cyber threats are climbing. AI is finally stepping up, but is it enough? Hold on, there's more. OpenAI's rolling out vulnerability scans for businesses. This could be a game changer. Companies can find weak spots before hackers do. Proactive is good, but will they actually use it? Saving millions sounds great. Building trust in AI is crucial, but trust takes time. You won't believe what happened next. In a world where breaches are rampant, is this step forward truly enough? Now, let's shift focus. Heard about ChatGPT for Excel and Google Sheets? This is where it gets interesting. A smart assistant in your spreadsheet? That's convenient. It analyzes data, whips up reports, and handles boring tasks. But can it really save you hours? This might affect you more than you think. Making data analysis easier is a win. But what's the catch? Next up, OpenAI's bold launch. The OpenAI deployment company is here. They want to help businesses integrate AI. Savvy move, but will they deliver? Tailored solutions for different industries? That's a smart angle. But will businesses actually embrace it? This could impact your work tomorrow. We'll have to wait and see. Looking ahead, insights on ChatGPT's adoption in 2026 are coming in. More businesses are waking up to AI's value. They see how it boosts productivity. That's cool, but is it sustainable? Companies are weaving AI into workflows, but how do we balance innovation with user adoption? Here's the twist. That's the real question. The AI landscape is evolving at lightning speed. With Daybreak and the deployment company, OpenAI isn't just keeping pace, they're leading. Expect a surge in innovative applications, but will these technologies be adopted quickly enough? That's the pressing question. To wrap it up, OpenAI's initiatives could reshape the AI industry. With tools for cybersecurity and integrations, they're pushing boundaries. But let's think about the implications. Can adoption keep pace with innovation? And hey, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Exciting updates are just around the corner.